N4HNH here. Wow. I want to shoot this quick video because, well, I haven't had this happen before. There's a soda station out there. He's at 7.030. Well, I've got him at 7.029.990. But you hear that? That noise? Almost sounds a little bit like digital. I want to show you what I'm going to do to combat that. Let me pan over here just a little bit. So right now I've got noise reduction at 15, width at 50, APF at 0. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I could just go to 7.030 and then use the APF to slide down 10 hertz, and that's the equivalent of being at 7.029.990. But it does change the pitch. So I tend to run my APF at 0, and I adjust the VFO. But you hear that? Notch filter. It's set at 470 hertz. Now, it's the same technique I use, as you know, from my previous videos regarding IF filters. The filter ring that you get, you know, from a really tight or a steep slope filter like a Chebyshev. Well, I'll use the notch filter, as you know, and since I'm listening at 550 hertz, I'll generally set the notch filter at 470, 480 to help knock down some of that filter ring on that lower skirt, if you will. Well, I heard that digital noise coming in there interfering with the CW station, and I thought, well, it's a low pitch. So I tapped my notch filter, and it was still set on 470 like I usually have, and wow, it went away. Let's see if he's still doing it. Oh, now we got two people competing. What a mess. Well, I think the digital's gone. I was just going to double check and see. There's that digital. Now watch. Well, he came in there, but you heard that digital. I hit the notch filter. It's gone. Well, the weak station that was in there that I was listening to, the soda station, and he was like it was like a 429. The digital was coming in and covering him up, and I hit that notch filter and knocked it right out. Maybe you caught a little bit of that in the beginning of the video before this guy came in. Anyway, just another tool in your arsenal. If somebody's moved in close to you doing digital, which usually they're higher up on the band than this, but that's what it sounded like. But if they do move in, or you hear just a low pitch in general from maybe somebody nearby, use your notch filter on CW. Yes, you don't want to run it all the way up to 550 if you're listening at 550. If you've got your side tone set at 550, of course you're going to knock who you're listening to out. But 470, 480 generally works for me. Okay, quick video. Hope you found that informative and helpful. Thanks again to my Patreons. If you would like to become a Patreon, click on www.patreon.com/N4HNH. That's www.patreon.com/N4HNH. And any help at all is appreciated. It helps keep this channel alive. 73 from N4HNH.